you for stopping by. I really appreciate it to all my new subscribers out there. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So this video right here is going to be on Quora, Quora.com. A lot of you know what Quora is. It's a, ask questions, you answer a lot of questions, you give the best answer you can. And I'm going to show you right here how I'm using my new website, laptopformulas.com, to grow and to help people out there. Because this website, laptopformulas.com, is designed because with inflation so high, there's some people out there that that they either got to choose to pay their bills or buy food these days. But I'm sharing a bunch of knowledge that I picked up on my way, and I'm sharing it in my new website, laptopformulas.com. Check out the link; it will be in the description below this video. And let's get started. So it's eat or be eaten, and here we go. So this is my Quora. It was my old account that I didn't really use that often, but I decided I'm going to go in there and change a few things and make it my laptopformulas.com because Quora has a lot of traffic, everyone. Now, let me show you this real quick. Quora has monthly visits 810.7 million. So that's a lot right there. As you can see right there, the numbers. It's pretty high. It looks pretty good. And you could do this in a different niche. I'm doing it to share some of my information that I learned with some of you out there might know that I went to learn LURN learned it was a school that I first invested in, and not just there, I went to another school, Renata's, that I picked up a lot of education, and I'm sharing a lot of it on my website. So after this video, go ahead and go check it out. And let me show you down here real quick. It's United States is like number one, India, United Kingdom. So these are all tier one countries. All tier one countries for all of you out there to take advantage of. So I just recently brought it to put all my information in here. I changed a lot of my credentials. Right here, I added my website that I just created because I didn't have a website in there. I was drawing people that wanted to learn to my YouTube channel from my YouTube channel here, or sending them here to my YouTube channel to pick up a lot of free traffic sources, some organic traffic. And I've been answering questions down here. I've been pretty active in here lately. Now I have three accounts with Quora. Quora, I have this account, and then I got my fashion account, and then I have another account that I'm not going to mention in this video. But and by the way, everybody, by the way, since we're here and you're watching this video, if you're liking this content, so okay, if you think the content's pretty good, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that notification bell to get notified of future videos that will be coming up in the future. Also, if you have not got a copy of Empowered by AI Samurai Shortcut Edge, then go over here to laptopformulas.com and you will find the book right here. So go ahead and go there and check it out. And the book is a $7 book. However, I am giving you a lot more information on search engine and a lot more traffic. There's just a lot here that you could pick. Also, the blog is right here if you want to go check that out. So let's get back to Quora.com. Let's get back to Quora.com. So a lot of stuff in that website, they won't teach it in schools. You got to pay for a lot of it, but I'm glad I could share it with you. So I've been going here and answering questions, just answering questions to the best of my knowledge. And some of the things in here, let's see. Does Chat GPT generate SEO friendly content? So this one, for example, right? I could go here and this is what I like to do when I answer a question. I like to give it my best answer that I could come up with. Now, what other people do, let's go over here real quick. This see what other questions. Most pyramid schemes, multi-level. See this one right here, because the person's asking. Okay, wait a minute. This ain't. Okay, they banned pyramid schemes, but not multi-level marketing. I don't know much about that information. I could go find it, but I don't know much about it, so I'm not gonna answer that question. So how can one increase their YouTube channel's audience and gain more subscribers? Well, I could answer that. I could answer that question, or I could click on that question, and since I'm interested in this question, I could copy it and go to Gemini or Chat GPT, whatever you prefer, and I could paste it in there and see what kind of answer it gives me. So it gives me this growing your channel time. Okay, there's a definite strategy. So there's quite a good answer right here. Before I copy this and come back over here and paste it, I'm going to want to really read through it because my reputation's on the line. As when you out there are working on traffic, your reputation's on the line. So if you decide to go this route, whatever you want to call that word, excuse me, um, YouTube Academy. So it's giving them, uh, it's giving this whole answer right here. So let's see if I could. I don't use Gemini too much, so growing. Okay, let's see. I could go right here. I could copy all these now. For this example, I'm not going to submit it. I just want to kind of show you out there. You copy that, you go back over here, and then you put the answer, and then down here you paste it. Like I said, read through it first before you hit that post button on the bottom. I'm not going to post it because I haven't fully read through it because I'm just using this as an example. But let's see what we got here. There's a YouTube audience for everything, and that is true. Whether you're on food, you're into the fitness, you're into the weight loss, you're into website traffic like I'm doing here. Uh, there's so many out there that you could do. So focus. So that's for the YouTube audience for everything you find in your niche, tailored to your content to high production value, aim for good audio. Okay, so you could use your phone for all that to make that kind of content. So right here is a lot of. I mean, if you're gonna, you do have to follow a lot of rules, everybody, before. Because look, as you can see, I got links right here. Um, these ain't my links. I don't know what they go to because I haven't checked yet. However, sometimes you got to look at their rules because their rules will sometimes they don't want anything with links like promotion wise. Like let's see this person right here. Let's see what she did. So as you can see right here, she's just giving value. She's just giving value, and that's kind of what it's about, everybody. The more value you give, and you're not trying to always sell, see if you could get them onto your email list. If they want to learn something, see if you get them onto your email list, and go from there. Because if they're on your email list, and you make a video, whatever you put in your emails, you can send it to them, kind of teaching them, first the basics, the mindset, or whatever it is. Same thing in fitness, because in fitness, exercising, you have to have a mindset. Weight loss, a person who is used to, for example, a person who is used to, when they get like depressed or sad or some kind of event goes on in their life that causes them to deal with stress, and then they decide to eat. That's their thing. Well, you have to kind of um, give them some information that can help them from the opposite of that. Like just give them something that's more valuable. At the same time, in the fitness and health industry, it could be kind of a gray area because you don't want to give somebody some kind of information or the wrong information and send them a product that it, it's not good for them, or for whatever reason it's not good for their body. So you got in the health industry, you got to really watch out for that. So let's see what we got here. This is a good one. I'm going to try to find more information on that because pyramid schemes are important. Some of them say they're not multi-level marketing, but it's kind of the same structure. So yeah, I'm going to go to that. But here's another thing, everybody, and I want you. This is something I want all of you to do out there. If you come up to a page like this, like blog writing, let's say you're into a traditional market, blog writing, niche markets, so whatever you're into, startup advice, I want to follow that. I want to follow startup advice because I think my knowledge that I have, including my new website slash blog that I have, could help somebody um, in the startup or even just get more traffic. Somebody who has an online business already, just get them more traffic. E-commerce marketing, wanting to make money. A lot of people, you can't just be after the money. That's kind of, you gotta help people. That's what the internet's about, is helping others. Eventually, it is a business. You do have a business to run, and you want to, eventually you want to make some revenue, but at the same time, the more value you give to help somebody, the more trust you build with people, and it's all about being a good person. So that's what I wanted to make on this video as well, because it's very important, everybody. So studying is very important. I couldn't have got to where I'm at now without studying. Before I started this, I mean, I was a complete newbie. I was in startup mode. I did not know the mindset. I did not know, um, I didn't know how to use YouTube. I mean, I still don't really know how to use YouTube too well, but I still make my videos for everybody because it's proof that if I can do it, so can you. I mean, there's nothing special about me. I'm a human being just like you. So I just want to put that out there. So digital marketing advice, I could do that. So you want to follow these. Eventually, once you start delivering some more value, so this is going to take time because it's free. I'll probably make another video later about ads on Quora, but free stuff. So um, you want to get in here eventually. Let's see what you could do here. Because when you apply for let me go right here to over here, because you could apply to be a contributor. So let's see, go right here. Okay, log, startup mode. So some of them allow it and some do not. But let's go right here real quick. Let's go to this fitness. I know some information in fitness as well, so I could go in there and share some things. I'm actually following this fitness right here, but you see a lot of these people giving information on this. Let's see, some of them are promoting links, called website. Yeah, a lot of people are. So on some, it does allow you to promote your links in there. You just gotta put it in with the words. What's that called? Cloaking? Is that cloaking? Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure if that's 100% right on that word, but you learn so much stuff in the internet, and some words mean this, some mean that. So let's see. Let's go back over here. Let's go to my home page. So using Quora, everybody, as you can see, there's traffic here. There's a lot of traffic, and see right there, to improve. What are the most effective strategies for improving a website SEO? I've been learning a lot about that. I've been learning a lot. So if you go to Google and you type in, oh, excuse me. If you go into Google and you type in laptop formulas, it's going to bring up my name. It's going to bring up my YouTube channel, because I got all these things kind of growing. So you got to kind of plant your seeds, if you know what I mean. I got all this stuff growing, so that could help out. So, and sorry about that, everybody. Got some stuff waiting and stuff. But yeah, so I hope you out there, I hope you like this video. If you do like it, give me a thumbs up. And you're putting your business out there, you're helping people out. Eventually, you start making some sales, you build up your email list, whatever you want to do, it's available. So if you like my video, you can share it with other people. You can tell people about my channel. A lot of stuff I have on here is free. There's a lot of free ebooks. I mean, you have to get this right, everybody. If you don't get this right, it's going to backfire on you, and there's no need for it to backfire on you at all. You just got to keep working at it like anything else. So thank you for watching the video. Y'all have a good night, good time, good night, bye. And I'll see you on my next video, okay? See you later. Bye.